Hey everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to ace the one-sample t-test. Imagine a researcher who's curious about whether the average height of people in a specific region differs from the national average, which is 170 centimeters. They collect data from a sample of 25 individuals and perform a one-sample t-test to test this hypothesis. Sounds complicated? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you. First, let's talk hypotheses. We start with the null hypothesis, or HO. This states that the mean height of our sample is equal to the national average height. Mathematically, that's HO mu equals 170 centimeters. Here, mu represents the population mean height of our sample. Next we have the alternative hypothesis, or H1. This suggests the mean height of the sample is not equal to the national average height. Mathematically, that's HO1 mu 170 centimeters. Notice how it's a two-tailed test. We're not just checking if the sample mean is greater, but also if it's less than the national average. Now, onto the one-sample t-test itself. The researcher runs the test using statistical software like SPSS, R, or even Excel. The results come in. Here's what they find. Sample mean, X, 172.5 centimeters. Sample standard deviation, S, 5.2 centimeters. Sample size, N, 25. Degrees of freedom, DF, 24, t-statistic, 2.40, p-value, 0.024. So, what does this mean? The calculated t-value is 2.40, and the p-value is 0.024. Our significance level, or alpha, is 0.05. Because the p-value, 0.024, is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis, HRO. This means the mean height of our sample is significantly different from the national average of 170 centimeters. Here's how you could write the conclusion. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the average height of individuals in this specific region, 172.5 centimeters, is significantly different from the national average height of 170 centimeters, t, 24, equals sign 2.40, p, equals sign 0.024. This suggests that the region's population may have a distinct height characteristic compared to the national average. If the p-value were greater than 0.05, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is no significant difference between the sample mean and the national average. The one-sample t-test is a powerful tool when comparing the mean of a single sample to a known value, like a population mean. And now you know how to use it to test hypotheses and draw conclusions in your research studies. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your stats.